morning, good morning, good morning. I'm in the car, so driving now to, charging the GoPro and at the same time driving. So today we are going to the peak of the Massanella. Massanella is the third highest peak in the Mallorca. So yeah, I'm on the way. Google Maps shows me it's another 1 hour and 2 minutes to drive, around 70 kilometers to another side, to another part of the island, and roundabout. And yeah, so yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy this video, guys, and I talk to you later. Bye. So if you see the mountains are there somewhere. If you see, this is this mountain range, Terramantura. I hope I said it right. And so one of these peaks are Massanella.
Acusados que se enfrentan a entre 37 y 40 años y medio de prisión. Y una cosa más, hoy se debate en el Congreso la Ley de Cambio Climático que establece el marco general para adaptar al país a sus efectos y para desarrollar las políticas de transición energética con la intención de avanzar hacia una economía y un transporte menos contaminantes con retos.
Well, hello again. So I'm here at the car park at the meeting point, and I'm the first one. As I know, it's a lovely day today. It's a bit chilly, but when we will be hiking, moving, it won't be that cold. So it's really lovely in here. Check it out. And service sometimes?
No, but service I don't care now. As far as I have GPS signal, I'm happy.
Seriously, we like mountain goats here. We got a bit off the main road, but that's fine. It's so steep here. I know. I'm just keep doing, you know.
Yeah, no.
And then I'm just gonna check what is worth, what is not worth.
Yeah.
That's how.
My problem is I stopped doing that.
Yeah.
So I just keep everything, so I have a million photos. So now I try to be selective, because I know I won't delete the top one.
I'm just literally rechecking, saving, and then just deleting everything.
Yeah. You're right.
Ow!
Did you lose an eye?
You okay?
Yeah. It was next to go. I don't see
But,
any back.
huh?
I don't see any back.
Huh? Come on, you see those stones? That is the path. Okay? So, or we follow these stones, or we go back to the same area we came back. Okay? In the car, in the van we had a kitchen, I have the pan, and then
Get some
I have
meat.
the knife, I have a coffee.
guess that's the
and
Yeah!
I have everything there, okay?
Coffee!
And 2 beers, okay? So anyway, we are sorted for today.
Don't look for the beer.
Joshua, say something.
Hello.
Very good.
Oh, you.
Just gonna hit you in the back of the knee with a stick.
Someone's Chewbacca. Okay.
How quiet it is. Listen.
And I feel my legs are shaking, you know.
Yeah. So this is Massanella, somewhere. We try to reach the top here somewhere.
After this hike, your shoes will rubbish. More like a stone like this, okay? Just start digging, okay? But no, it's up there. We go now.
That was definitely ambitious, Aggie. Plus, you're gonna take.
You wanted to throw it out?
Take out his leg if he was started it. Plus, I don't know if that would stop. You'd risk crushing someone.
Rosemary, blooming.
No. Do you do a lot of running?
So we almost at the top here, and it's so stony, rocky stones. Like you see, like literally stones everywhere. And look at this view. Oh, I'm out of breath. Lovely day.
I forgot my lamp. I have a small.
Is there water here? Wow, it is cool. We go diving. Oh, look, there are steps.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
And the fountain is up here. It's dry. I think it's dry. I don't see much. In fact, I don't have my.
I don't know. I didn't know that we're going to go for caving, you know?
Yeah, the water is there.
Wait, sorry.
Be careful.
But there's not actually, yeah?
It's water.
Is there?
Yeah.
Boy!
You see, it's coming from.
Ah, yeah.
It's coming from here.
Ah.
Up there. No.
Yeah.
So imagine when it's raining a lot.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. My head was.
Okay, that's cool.
So yeah, when it's raining.
Look at this view. I don't know where I got here and how. Okay, I'm close to Massanella, but then I see these mountain goats. They're all around me, and I'm thinking now, am I on the right route or not really? Crap, I'm afraid that they're gonna attack me.
Wow.
Woo! Yeah, so cool.
My heart.
Where are you?
No! Perdono, perdono. So this is the very top of the Puig de Massanella 360 view. Lovely. Well, my dear peeps, oh my goodness, that was a hike. It took us, I'm on the way home now, it took us about 5 or 6 hours of hike. It was really well worth it, and oh, it was really cool. It was really cool, and if you haven't done it yet, go and do it whenever you on the